In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a Vantrue N2 Pro dual camera dash cam. Let's open up the box and have a look. The dash cam comes well protected in this foam block. User manual and quick start guide. "10-foot power cord with a cigarette lighter plug. USB cord. Suction cup windshield mount. The power cord plugs in directly into the mount, and then once the dash cam is attached, it receives its power through these pins. Attach release mechanism. A couple options you can get for this is the GPS, which is the same suction cup windshield mount, but it has the GPS antenna integrated right into it. And also you can get a hardwire kit for this dash cam as well. Okay, let's have a look at the dash cam itself. It has a 1.5-inch LCD screen. The rear camera contains a Sony Exmor image sensor. It also has 4 infrared LEDs for low light conditions. The front camera uses a OmniVision image sensor. They're supposed to be great for capturing clear images in motion. These dash cams are favored by Uber drivers and taxi drivers. You can use a 32GB up to 256GB micro SD card. I'm going to use a 128GB micro SD card. Now let's hook it up to some 12-volt power and try it out. Now that the power supply is plugged in, you can see the indicator lights lit. It also has an integrated USB port underneath there. It is recommended to charge the internal battery in a dash cam for 2 to 3 hours before initial use. This small USB cord is used for that, and just plug that into a power supply. You can charge it using one of these little wall plugs with a USB port on it. The dash cam also has a power plug on the side. I haven't put in the SD card yet. You can see it has a picture-in-picture on the screen showing the forward camera and the rear camera. I'll include some driving clips next.